Divorced mom vs. fun. Dad, who really raises the kids? Beamy 37, divorced, thought I married a good man. Adam was kind, steady, reliable. LOL. Nope, just another selfish clown, dropped his ass. Court sided with me, got the house, car, half the properties, deserved it. I carried everything anyway, raising two boys under 13, custody calendar on fridge me, equals default parent, Adam equals weekend ice cream clown hate. Friday's handoff always feels like sending them into enemy camp. He roughhouses, sugar bombs them, plays dumb games. I have to deprogram them when they get back. Tell myself I'm raising feminists, conscious kings. Tell the moms at school I keep the whole operation running. They nod and laugh politely. No, they're just humoring me. Don't care. Feels good having an audience. Then pick up one Friday, sun cranky. I crouch down, loud voice. So other moms here, remember, sweetie, don't say loser. That's toxic masculinity. Expect him to parrot it back like proof I'm winning. Kid just shrugs. Dad says games are where you learn losing without crying. The moms try not to laugh. I panic, double down, louder voice. He just says, Dad doesn't make it a big deal. Then Adam's SUV rolls up like a damn parade float football in the back seat. Kid rips his hand out of mine, sprints into Adam's arms yelling, Dad, crowd, eats it up. I'm left crouching like an idiot. Coffee spilling, one of the moms mutters, guess he's the fun parent. Everyone laughs quietly. Tfei tumu. I realize I might have already lost the stage weekends. Drag, do yoga, go to feminist workshops. Really just killing time until I get them back. Sunday dinner, quinoa bowls ready, ask what they did with Dad. They grin like conspirators. Dad says pick friends who make you stronger, not smaller. Dad says real friends don't push you around. Try to claim I've said the same. They shake heads. No, Dad's way is different. Youngest says, Dad said pick women who are kind and laugh at our jokes, not bossy ones. Boys laugh like it's their secret code. With him snap and yell about toxic disrespect. They just stare like I'm the crazy one next morning. Confront Adam at his door. Stop filling their heads with this misogynist garbage. He just sips coffee, says he's teaching respect. I lose it. You ruined my life, Adam. He laughs, says you got half of everything. House, car, weekends. And I'm the one who lost? Brain.exe has stopped working months later. Parent-teacher conference, I start preaching about boys pudding. Women first teacher asks about male peers. I laugh, brush it off. Adam says, respect goes both ways or you're raising doormats. Teacher nods, writes it down like he's the wise sage. I die inside school assembly. Day made youngest memorize DEI speech. I basically wrote flat delivery. Crowd bored, I clap loudest like proud martyr mom. Adam strolls up with older kid and a guitar, sing goofy song about friendship. Kids and teachers clapping along. Crowd goes wild. Standing ovation, teacher leans over. That was wonderful, wasn't it? MFW family dinner. After I push quinoa, they beg for nuggets. Adam sits casual, kids buzzing. They repeat his advice about being calm, strong, simple. I try to claw back credit, ask which parent they learn more from both. Say Dad without hesitation. Adam even tries to throw me a bone. Your mom teaches you plenty, keeps you safe. Somehow makes him look even better. Kids run ahead to the car. Adam leans in, low voice. Maybe ease up on the lectures. Respect is earned, not forced down throats. Want to scream, but kids banging on windows. Walk past him fuming, worst part equals his face not smug, not angry, just certain like he knows he's already won.